Welcome back. Time now for the Financial Week. Sagicor Real Estate X Fund has racked up over $400 million in net profit for the first quarter of 2025. This represents a 212% improvement compared to the same period last year.
It's a tremendous experience. It's a strong experience. It's driven by a number of factors. It's driven by a very strong performance in our hotel investment, and also by, I will confess, favorable foreign exchange transactions and appreciation. But it is also due to the governance and the discipline and the strategy that we bring to operating our affairs.
The real estate investment vehicle focuses primarily on acquiring and managing income-generating real estate assets, primarily within the hospitality and commercial sectors.
This is kind of what we have been working for a number of years. We have established the fundamentals of governance. We've established the fundamentals of strategic and thorough analysis. And as you would have heard here, we are diversifying some of our more conservative, traditional investments into other areas, notably real estate in the Caribbean region. And we are moving not aggressively, but assertively to look for other opportunities.
In other news now, for many Jamaicans, the dream of owning a home has long felt out of reach. However, this could change soon as Hardware and Lumber rolls out its modular concrete budget-friendly housing solution to the local market.
What we have here today, what this has all culminated into is a housing unit that we are proud of. And I hope that this will help to solve the problems of affordable housing in Jamaica.
Speaking at a launch event recently, Chief Category Manager for the company, Patrick Chambers, outlined the key features of the three types of housing units and explained...
So the Ponciana actually resells for $8.9 million, and it includes everything. That $8.9 million include everything above the foundation. So once your foundation, because obviously we don't know if you're building on the hillside, you're building a low water table. Hopefully we don't build in the gullies, you know. But depending on where you build, it's $8.9 million from the foundation to the roof. And it includes everything from tiles, windows and doors, the thin set, the grout, the nails, everything in that $8.9 million.
Meanwhile, the one-bedroom Bogan Villa has a starting price of 4.1 million Jamaican dollars and the two-bedroom Hibiscus starting at $4.5 million. Partnering with the University of Technology, which ensures compliance with the national building codes, these prices exclude GCT, land, foundation, and labor with customized option available. The JSE Index advanced by 578 points, while the Junior Market Index advanced by 24 points. The winners were Iron Rock Insurance Company, Access Financial Services, Express Catering, General Accident Insurance Company, and 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference Shares. The losers included G West Corporation, Caribbean Cream, Elite Diagnostics, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, and Kintyre Holdings, 23 stocks traded firm. Now, foreign exchange trading ended with banks and Cambios selling the US dollar for an average $160.19. The Canadian dollar is being sold for an average $115.40. The pound is going for $212.30, while the euro is selling for an average $183.37. And that's the Financial Week. News from overseas and bite of the week after the break.